welcome to my channel. I've never met a sparkle that I didn't like and a bully that I did, because being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So hope you guys are having an amazing day. Mine is going, you know it is. So for this video I thought I would do an unboxing of my April Cat Lady box. I haven't done unboxings on my channel in such a long time just because I often forget to do them, and I tend to open them and then just never end up coming back and shooting it. But I thought I would actually open my April one on camera. I haven't actually looked in it at all yet. I haven't actually opened my April one at all, so when I open it on camera it will actually be my first reaction to everything that's in it. I'm normally not disappointed in Cat Lady box. It's about like $50 a month. Is a little expensive, but I've never gotten something in this box where I'm like, ew. There's always something very useful in there, and it is like, I never need to buy another t-shirt in my entire life. I usually get a t-shirt or some kind of sweatshirt or something every month. I never again will I have to buy a t-shirt, which is great because I sleep in t-shirts and I work out in t-shirts when I work out. So it's fun, and they're usually pretty like cute. Also, this eye look is like kind of different for me. I saw this look on Instagram. I'll post it right here, and I decided to recreate it. Obviously mine is not as good as hers, but I tried. But I think it kind of looks really pretty, especially with this shirt. So yeah. So anyway, let's stop rambling and let's get into opening April Cat Lady. I also love too, their little cards are always like done by a different artist every month, and I always keep them. So here is my monthly t-shirt. Adorable. It says good vibes, a little cat face. I love it. Oh, this is cute. A little hat. Oh, I actually really like this. And it always comes with 2 cat toys too for your cat, so it's not just for you. Oh my god, adorable. I actually needed little post-its. Look, it's little multicolored post-its. So cute. And then, oh, this is perfect. Oh, and it says the entire cat population is my best friend, and it's like a refillable water bottle. And then the 2 little things for my cat. Oh, it's a little smiley face cat toy. How cute. And then this is like a little fishy cat wand. So cute. And this month's artist is Lim Hang Sui, aka I Love Doodle. And it's ilovedoodle.com if you're interested. Oh, and apparently this tumbler changes color when you use it, so that's exciting. And what's nice about it too, Cat Lady also does like donate to animal charities and everything, which I really love. I think most of like the animal boxes do, and I love that because animals are like my special little thing. I love animals. They're like little babies, and I think that they're so cute. And this is my cat Layla, and then this is our other cat Eli. He's more the family cat, where Layla's my cat, although Layla lately has not been in love with me. I don't know, she's going through like a teenage phase where mom is not cool. So yeah. So anyway, that is everything that I got in my April Cat Lady box. Next month is their like Mother's Day box, so it's always like really exciting. So if I remember, I will try and open that on camera as well. I like everything that I got. Again, I'm never disappointed. I will probably use everything in here. Obviously, the cats will use the cat toys. I will not be using the cat toys. But anyway, yeah. So that is it for this video, my celestial cupcakes. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, I still thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it, and I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by, so thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I did not film, as well as pictures of my pets, because I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!